Hey everyone and welcome to Electric Design. Today we'll be redesigning the 2020 Volkswagen ID4. The ID4 is the latest electric model by VW, and according to the recently leaked photos, it seems like VW tries to reinvent its design philosophy. But why? VW cars are known for their practical and precise design and engineering, with typical boxy shape for better all-around package. I personally think the ID4 is a huge letdown by the German manufacturer. Actually, I really dislike the new VW's design philosophy for their upcoming electric cars, except of the ID Buzz. I had the chance to take a close look at the concept cars in Geneva Motor show a couple of years ago. Let's start with the front end and move on to the side and the rear end later on. I don't like any detail on the front end design, but one element drives me crazy, and it's the fake air vents at both sides of the bumper. Why VW? What is your excuse for putting a fake vent on an electric car? It has zero functionality, and this black plastic piece looks like an afterthought. Overall, the front end design is so vanilla and unrecognizable, and it has no relation to the brand's long history of smart and efficient designs. This easily could have been a Kia or a Nissan. Even relatively new Chinese car maker design much more attractive looking electric cars. My theme for this redesign is to bring back the subtleness and the clear design approach of VW, mainly by using clean and straight lines in relation with the rest of the exterior graphics. I cleaned up the front and made it look much more balanced by using straight lines and deleting some unwanted details for general futuristic and unified look. Another element I revised is the headlights, which looks sloppy with huge headlights connected by a relatively thin and short plastic strip. So, I made the headlights units much thinner with a distinct light bar with a pointy extension, like in the new VW Golf, but vertically instead of horizontally, to complete a squared frame for the front end. The main issue I have with the side profile is the curved shoulder line and the greenhouse bottom silhouette, as well as the round and curvy black trim at the bottom. Looks like VW just copied this detail from Renault. So I straightened up all the major line in the side profile, plus making interesting depth similar to the front depth graphics to give it much more balanced and precise look. The back end design is my favorite. It's clean with wide and balanced lines. So I'll make subtle changes, starting with the taillights. I made the whole unit thinner with pointy edges, like I did in the front, complementing with the rear bumper shape. And, like at the front, I replaced much of the black plastic trim with a body color panel in order to unify the overall look, and thus making the back end looks cleaner and modern. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the 2020 VW ID4. Who said electric cars are boring? There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.